in my bad bitch era, loving everything that I see in the mirror. Newfound confidence can keep
Every
these
creative
niggas
things
from
you used to do before somebody tied you down.
Girl, don't start.
And we're in the Midtown School District, which is basically private school the way these taxes are set up. It's perfect for my niece and nephew. And big bonus. You see that unit down there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have the first front unit.
Of course you do.
Oh my goodness. 5 bedrooms, 2-car garage, and I'm good for 1, maybe 2 hours of babysitting. That's Alyssa. She's one of the brokers here.
And she's also fucking Clayton.
I know you fucking lying.
I'm in my bad bitch era, loving everything that I see in the mirror. Newfound confidence can keep these niggas from staring. Just might become toxic, add a few to my rotation. You see the way that thing be banging, it should be a crime to rock them jeans mama gave me. We can't all be fine, I think the Lord for how you made me.
Well, this is lovely.
I know, right?
Thank you.
Yes.
So, tell me about this blind date.
Oh, we'll get to that, but sit, get comfortable.
What?
Go ahead, sit up. So, how long have you known about Clayton and Alyssa?
It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal. It seems like it to me.
Alyssa has always been after Clay.
Alyssa has always been after Clay? Do you hear yourself? If she's after him, obviously he gave her permission. Listen, Zarina, I love the way you love those kids. I mean, you have given them your life.
Thank you for saying that.
But
I just don't see the upside in the alternative.
the upside is being happy and single and not doing this 10-year prison sentence you've martyred yourself with.
I'm not trying to be single or a saint. I'm just trying to raise kids without trauma.
Girl.
We have assets, houses, vacation homes, money in the market.
Yes, and that all can be split equally and equitably. And if you do it right, amicably.
Eileen,
What?
I don't want my kids to have the story of growing up in a single-parent household.
And what do you think you're doing now? A 2-parent household? Just because y'all live together does not mean you're not a single mom. You are co-parenting with convenience.
I don't expect you to get it. It's not for you to get. This is not easy. You just think you can come here and show me floor plans and houses? You just want me to pick up my 2 kids and what, buy a new sofa?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just that easy.
Girl.
This is hard. There are days that I don't even get out of the bed until long after Clay has left for the day.
Zarina, I get it. You want your children to have this storybook upbringing. But how much more of this story do you need to see? I mean, really? Perfect life, perfect man, horrible ending. You're not the first person this happened to. You won't be the last. It's not that hard.
You are not in my position.
And I'm happy I'm not. I hope, matter of fact, I know I never will be. This is not living. This is damn near catatonic.
You act like this is your life.
Girl, listen. You are my best friend. Okay? And I love you. And I don't like seeing you like this.
Like what?
This version of you. I don't even know who you are anymore. It's like you're just bowing down to this slinky, sleek-ass Clayton. He ain't even all that. Is he calling you now?
I gotta go.
Zarina, I know you're not serious. You're gonna bottle all of this up and you're just not gonna say anything?
Eileen, it's in the past.
Is it? Because the past has a funny way of making itself back to the present. Look at what just happened.
I gotta go get the kids.
Zarina, I swear, if your mother calls and if she asks me about you and Clayton, this time I'm telling her the truth. I'm done with this. I'm telling your mother.
I'm in my bad bitch era, loving everything that I see in the mirror. Newfound confidence can keep these niggas from staring. Just might become toxic, add a few to my hotel.